So welcome back or welcome on today. Thanks for stopping by the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrena. And on my channel, I share my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, it's all about deep cleaning my bathroom. You know, during the holiday season, there were a lot of extra P-E-E, how you spell it? P-E-O-P-L-E, people in my home. So a deep cleaning, it is in order.
Like the snow when it's hot, don't know if I can stand again. Yeah, lost my hope, lost my strength. Yeah, I forgot about the love that you showed me. Face to the ground, I'm desperate for my life to change. Yeah. Rain down, rain down, Holy Spirit, rain.
So I lit a candle and I grabbed my favorite cleaning supplies, that barkeeper's cleanser, some power wash by Dawn, some Clorox, and Fabulosis is around here somewhere.
I've got these parts of me and I've lost control, running frantically with nowhere to go. Felt the pain, felt the shame, believing the lies that the enemy gave. But praying truth will come and live here to stay. Yeah. Rain down, rain down, Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. Rain down, Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath.
Really need to invest in some knee pads. Your girl's getting older.
Holy Spirit, rain down. I need you right now, so please don't make me hold my breath. Please don't make me hold my breath. Please don't make me hold my breath. Please don't make me hold my breath.
So I pulled out my little mini vac to clean out the dust and debris in these drawers. If you're new here, I am Katrena, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel, and I would love for you to join my growing YouTube family. It's simple and it's free. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice, the nosy, so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
Shout of praise. Oh, Let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Let the anthem rise up. Let the song ring out. And let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. Lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. Lift up a shout of praise.
I sincerely hope that your brand new year is going well. Mine so far, has been amazing, and I'm thankful unto God for that. Now listen, I'm trying to put these videos out as quick as I can, but please note, I'm also planning for a big event for my church. And if you're an oldie, you know every January and February, I'm planning for this event in March. So please make sure you like, you comment, and you share on these videos, because in between all that work, I'm pausing to record. So I'm currently in the no spin challenge for January. So there are no new items in this deep clean and winter bathroom refresh. Yay me. The majority of these faux potted plants came from the Dollar General and Rose's discount store. The towels They are home good finds, and they were presents from last year. So if you enjoyed today's cleaning and decorating motivation, you know what I need you to do. I need you to leave a kind comment below, because you know thumbs up and kind comments are the way to help my channel to continue to grow. And until next time, you know what I say: stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you on my next video. That's if you hit that notification bell and you'll get the notification.